How to use Kucoin trading bot. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at the Kucoin trading bot. So let's get into it. Now, what is Kucoin? Kucoin is actually a platform for you to be able to trade, store, and invest your cryptocurrency. So they are a trading platform like Binance or any other trading platform, and they enable you to go ahead and trade and buy crypto. And they are the #1 altcoin exchange as well as the largest social trading platform, and they also have iOS, App Store, Google Play, and Android applications for you to get started with Kucoin right away. So to get started, you're going to create your account from the top right over here, and to actually go ahead to create your account, you just need an email address, and that is it. So first, once you have entered your email address and a suitable password, your Kucoin account will be created. Now, once you have created your Kucoin account, you can go ahead in the trading bot. You're going to click on trade on the top left of your account over here, and then you're going to click on trading. But now, before you actually go ahead and begin the trading bot, you actually want to go ahead in your wallet over here on the top right, and you're going to click on deposit over here, and then you're just going to deposit fiat. So you can choose any currency. So let's say you want to deposit USD, and then you're just going to enter whatever payment method that you have, or you can also click on deposit crypto over here. And if you have any other cryptocurrency in any other account, then you can deposit that into your Kucoin or Kucoin account over here. And then you're going to go ahead in your trade section, and then you're going to click on trading bot over here, and then this will allow you to actually earn money, earn passive income without having to constantly monitor the market. Now, you can see over here that this is the perpetual futures grid, so this is just a perpetual one, and then you have to the futures grid bot allows you to buy lows and sell on the highs on the price range, and once the price is out of your normal price range, the bot will no longer do the trade, and this allows you to long uptrends and short downtrends. So let's say I want to create a crypto bot that will enable me to trade. Let's say I expect the price of BTC to go up, then I'm going to click on long over here. I'm going to enter the balance that I want. So I want to trade 900 USDT, and I want to trade 100% of that. So you're going to enter a balance over here, and you can also click on add USDT and go ahead and add it from your main account to your trading account. And then you also have advanced settings such as stop price. So let's say that you want to take profit at a certain price because you expect the market to crash after that. So the current price of BTC, I'm going to scroll up, is 23, and I want to take all my profits at 27. So I want to take all of my profits as soon as the price of BTC goes to 27, and then you can also choose your entry price where you want to begin taking profits. So the stop price is going to be 22, yeah. So what I'm going to do is by entering the stop price over here, as soon as the price drops. So as soon as the price starts dropping, I'm going to start getting a loss because I am longing this in the future, which means I'm predicting. The futures market basically means that you're predicting whether the price will go up or down, and if your prediction is right, then you make money, and if your prediction is wrong, if it's going the other way, if you expected it to go up and it's going down, you're going to lose money. If you expected it to go down and it's going up, you're going to lose money as well. What the stop price does is that it stops the liquidation process, or it stops the process of your bet when you enter the stop price. So as soon as the 22,000 price reaches, it's going to stop your prediction and liquidate it back to USDT. So this will allow you to take as minimum of a loss as possible, and then you can also enter a stop price. So after that, once you have entered all of these advanced settings as well, you can click on create long over here to create your futures order. So that is how easy it is to use a crypto bot. Now, once you have entered all of these parameters, you're just going to click on create, and then the bot will be created, and it will automatically do this entire process for you. It will show you your price range. So within this price, your crypto bot will be working. This is the 2 times leverage. You have your number of orders placed and your profit grids over here. And then you can also click on customize as well, so you can create a short or a long, and then you can fill all these parameters yourself in a more customized fashion, and you can do this for any platform. So let's say you want to bet this, you want to create a crypto bot for any other currency, you can just enter the currency over here. So let's say I want to do it for DOT. So I'm going to select DOT over here, And then once I click on dot, then I can go ahead and create my crypto bot for this as well. So you can choose to short it or long it. And then you also have the option for spot grids as well. So you can click on spot grid and actually create a bot for your spot account as well. So what this will enable you to do is that you can create a specific amount of money. So let's say it's $100, and then what you're going to do, as soon as the price reaches a certain amount, you can choose to invest right away for this specific item. So this will allow you to actually go ahead and make money in a simpler format without having to leverage or risk any kind of your own money. Now, I do recommend that whenever you're looking to create bots, you create them in the features grid, and you also have other things like infinity grids and DCA and the smart rebalance, but those are more complicated features that I don't recommend. And using Kucoin will also give you access to a lot of alternative coins, so I would recommend that you go ahead and check out the alternative coins and use the futures trading bots for those, because the alternative coins future trading is not going to be as popular on other platforms, and this will give you a slight edge on the overall market in terms of being able to do accurate predictions for this. If you're able to do so, then using the Kucoin platform might be a lot more helpful for you. Now, you can also click on hot over here and see the hot coins that are popular for trading currently, and then you can just select that coin. So Solona's coin Sol, SOL, is very popular right now, so you can create a simple crypto bot for that. And using a hot coin is going to be a lot more risky, but it will also give you more potential for earnings, and using a crypto bot will enable you to maximize your profits and take the minimum amount of losses possible as well. So that is going to help you in leveraging the amount of risk that you have, and even if you're leveraging more money, you're still going to be able to take profits and minimize risk to quite a larger extent than if you were trading on your own. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.